Well, good morning, everyone. Day number 8, be joyful. I don't know if you caught what I brewed today, but it is the Pike Place by Starbucks, which, interestingly enough, was the first brew that Starbucks ever did, because Pike Place is named after where the first store was in Seattle. So, Pike Place. I forget the notes, but I'll go back downstairs and write them down here. But it tastes a little nutty. And I know, I think it was Kat who didn't like nuts, my mod cat. Shout out to you, Kat. You made the Bellamas video. Another thing I noticed today, because I don't think I gave this any thought, but a lot of my mugs are left-handed mugs. So this Be Joyful mug is a left-handed mug. And how you know a left-handed mug from a right-handed mug is that when you hold this in your right hand, you'll no longer see the name of the mug or the little inscription on the mug. Isn't that interesting? It's interesting for me because I actually started being left-handed first, and then I switched to being right-handed because my father, God rest his soul, was left-handed. So he used to always try to make me do things on my left hand. I can still do a lot of dominant things with my left hand. Interesting fact about Bella. Who'd have thunk it? Today is a prep day for me. Be prepping for Bellamas because I've got a busy week. And I have my sorority holiday party right smack dab in the middle of the week. I think it's on the 11th or whatever. So got to get ready for that. Don't know what I'm wearing, so I got to figure that out. And yeah, lots of things. And I need to get my hair done, and I need to get my nails done. And I have 3 events this week for work. So yeah. It's crazy. It's crazy, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Plus, I have some influencer things to do. So it's going to be jam-packed this week. But be joyful, okay? I could not have all of this work coming down. So I'm grateful. Very, very grateful. So I have 2 packages I need to open. And I have the advent calendar I need to open. And I really don't have much else to say. So let's get on to the unboxings. All right. Go right up here. Let's see what we got today. Oh, okay. This is the Nulastin Skin Intensive Hydration Serum. Okay. Delivers vital moisture to the skin, supplies a surge for eye area. Nice. Face, lips, and décolleté. Okay. I was just saying I needed something more for my eyes, so let's try it. I have something here from Walmart, which reminds me this package came before the package that I ordered came, so I need to find out what's going on with my order because it's still not here. So this is the Epsom Jabon. It's a soap bar with a sponge inside. It's a 2-in-1, multifunctional. It has salicylic acid, and it's supposed to be very good for people who have acne. So I got this for Bay, and the company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try it. And this is a paid sponsorship. So we will be trying this more than a soap. Es más que un jabón. More than a soap. In Spanish. All right. So, and jabón does mean soap in Spanish. So, let's see if this passes the test. I heard it's supposed to be very viral on like TikTok, so we shall see. I haven't seen any videos on it, but I will check it out, and of course we'll be testing it out, so we'll let you know what's good. Okay, so this company reached out to me as well. It's called PowerTech Fast Charge, and it's a braided cable. And it's supposed to be good for USB-Cs, which my phone is one. And a lot of things, you know, have this, and it's 6 feet. Now, let me show you what my cords look like right now. My main one for my computer and my my iPhone. So these are what my cords look like currently. So when they reached out, naturally, I was like, oh, I'm in, because, yeah, this looks gnarly. And I unplug it when it's not in use because I know this is a fire hazard waiting to happen. So I only plug it in when I'm actually here to watch it, just in case sparks start flying. This holiday season, share the love, be my bestie, like, share, and subscribe to Brown Girl Bella. You have to subscribe to get Bellafied. Okay, so this is what the cord looks like. I like that it came with this like, faux wrap for the cord. So you can, I guess, fold it and wrap it when you're done. Comes right to my lounge and fits right there. Perfect. So we are good.